back in my kitchen. We'll be making some Italian bread for dinner tonight. So I'll be making that in my bread maker. So we will be starting out with 4 cups of flour. I have 3 cups of white flour and 1 1/4 cups of whole grain flour. I have 1 1/2 cups of cold water. I have 3 teaspoons of yeast. I have 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 1/2 teaspoons of salt. That's all you need, and you'll have a very, very delicious Italian bread to go with your Italian dishes. All right, with our bread machine, you always have to put the put the paddle in first. Then for my bread machine, I have to add the liquid ingredients first. So I'm going to add my cold water and my olive oil. And I'm using the extra virgin olive oil. Now I'm going to be adding my flour. This is a lot of flour, so this is the 2-pound loaf that we'll be making. So I'm going to have to change that my setting. My last thing was 1.5. And that's the whole grain. I have the whole grain flour and the white flour. Now I'm going to add some sugar, some salt. That was 2 tablespoons of sugar. Take 1.5 teaspoons of salt. And of course I need to make a little bit of a well for the middle of my bread. So, and that's where I'm going to put the yeast. And I usually have a different bowl for this, and I'm really regretting not using it. It's a little square one and it comes right out. Works perfectly, but this is okay. All right, I'm going to put this in the bread machine and set it all up, and we'll be ready to go. All right, I am checking everything with my bread machine. I need it to be on 2 pounds, and look, it is. Need it to be for medium crust. Perfect, so it's ready to go. I already have it set at basic, so I'm going to start up our bread machine, and there it goes. So this is our bread. It came out of our bread maker. It did a lovely job. I'm going to let it cool, and then I'm going to cut it and show you how it looks on the inside. This is our Italian loaf. It's got a lot of nooks and crannies in it. It's going to hold any butter or garlic, anything that you want to put on it, basil, pesto, anything like that. It looks good. It's going to be great for our dinner. I'm going to be making spaghetti. It's going to be perfect. Thanks for watching. Hello my friends, it's me Tammy again. I just wanted to do a follow-up on my bread. I just want you to know this is all I have left. So I think it's a seal of approval from the family. All right, thanks again.